Today I am attempting to make my version of a Chipotle Burrito Bowl at home, and honestly, I hope this turns out to be the kind of shortcut meal that puts delivery to shame. And the best part? This makes multiple bowls for about the same price as one delivery order will charge you. So instead of paying extra for guac, delivery fees, service fees, whatever emotional fees they're trying to sneak out there, you get a whole meal. No, scratch that. You get a couple of meals. And because a good meal deserves a good finish, let's do a super fast dessert. So here's all you need. Cilantro lime rice, some pulled chicken, some black beans, some frozen corn. I've got some mild salsa here, and then some taco seasoning. This one is Kinder's. You can use whatever your favorite is. And then we'll grab some toppings later. So the rice is super easy because we're using cilantro lime rice in a bag that you just pop it in the microwave. 90 seconds later, voila, it's done. That means we're skipping the whole measure of the rice, rinse the rice twice, deciding what liquid we want to use, broth, water, measuring that, putting it all in a pan with some salt, seasonings, and butter or oil, bringing it to a boil, covering and simmering for 20 minutes. Yep, I'm already over that. As I said, for the chicken, I'm going to use some Del Real, I think is how you say it, pulled chicken, and we're going to be crisping it in a hot skillet with a little taco seasoning. All right, so we're going to use a little bit of tallow here. We're going to add the chicken. I'm using about a half a tablespoon of seasoning in mine. We're going to leave that on the bottom of the pan so it will crisp up. See that? That little bit of brown is what makes it taste better than a box, not like it's just reheated. Okay, instead of doing the corn and the beans separately, I'm going to be combining black beans, the frozen corn, the salsa, about 3/4 of a cup, and then a little bit of the Kinder's taco seasoning to keep that base flavor going. This is 10 ounces, so that's about right. We'll just put it all in there. About 1.5 cups of corn. Then we've got our salsa. I have mild because the Kinder's taco seasoning is actually pretty spicy, so I don't think I need spicy on top of spicy on top of spicy. That base flavor, you know what? I bet I can't get that back out of there. Oops. We're just gonna pop this in the microwave for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. See how it turns out. Shall we put it together? Start with the rice. Next, we're gonna put on that pulled chicken that's been crisped up. Now some of that black bean corn salsa. Now this stuff has got a lot of flavor. Delivers it so we don't have to work so hard. Toppings that make me happy. Queso cheese. We've got some shredded lettuce, some green onions, put them around the outside. Then we're gonna do a dollop of sour cream on the top. And absolutely, 100% not finished until you have guac. Why do they always charge extra for the guac? There we go. Well, I'm excited. I don't know about you. Oh my gosh. I actually wasn't expecting it to taste that good. Honestly, I didn't think it would have that much flavor. This is really, really good. Now I want to eat the whole bowl. But I can't, because guess what's next? Dessert. We're gonna put about 2 cups of whipping cream in there. We're gonna whip it till it's thick. All right. We're gonna take some of this whipping cream, or I should say whipped cream. We're gonna add sour cream to it. Fold that in. Next, we're gonna squeeze some lime in there. Now, kind of like the last one, we're gonna build ourselves another little parfait dish. This one is going to be blackberry, layer after layer. Now, that leftover regular whipped cream, put that on top. And top it off with some berries. Time for that sweet bite. Oh, it tastes like a cheesecake. A really light, fluffy cheesecake. That's really good. Also better than I thought it would be. So that's my better than the box Chipotle Burrito Bowl with a super fast Blackberry-Lime Cream Cup for dessert. Big dinner energy, easy finish, no staring at the spinning circle on the phone app waiting for it to load. Shortcut the things that don't matter. Upgrade the ones that do, and go on. Get away with it.